Greetings Amazon shoppers, welcome to the Cyber Monday deals. Let's check out the cheapest and best dash cams currently available right now. There are only 15 dash cams products for Cyber Monday deals. Let's take a look. And we have here some in the $200 range, some below $100. And I'll leave a link to this page for you guys to check it out. The cheapest option is this one right here, the Ventrue N1 Pro for $56, $23 off, available this Cyber Monday. Let's check it out. It's got a fantastic review, 4.3 out of 5, 1080p with 24 hours parking mode. It even got night vision, parking monitor, and collision detection, seamless loop recording, and basically has all the features you need. And the next best option is the AI Plugger brand, also 1080p full HD with all of the features just like the other one. Infrared night vision, parking mode, loop recording with an LCD display. Basically everything just like in the Ventrue N1, but $9 more expensive. Thanks for checking this out. Be sure to subscribe for more hot deals. Thanks again and happy shopping.